Alright folks, we're about to play Medical Jeopardy with Jennifer. She has to diagnose 5 different medical conditions in about 10 to 15 seconds each. Jennifer, are you ready?
Sure.
Alright, let's kick this thing off right about now. What is this on the foot?
A wart.
Correct. Want to guess what kind of wart?
Plantar wart.
Yeah, I would have accepted wart or plantar wart. It's also called a palmar wart if it happens to be on the hand. You ready for number 2?
Okay.
You don't seem too excited. What is this?
A scab.
No?
A infected hair follicle.
It's a blackhead. Or a dilated pore, open comedone of sorts. It was in the ear. Her face does not agree. 1 for 2. Next up, what is this?
A cyst.
Yes. It looks like it's infected to me. What do you think?
Looks like it.
Alright, so 2 out of 3. Jennifer dominating this round with a 66.6%. Let's check out number 4. What is this?
An oyster with a pearl?
There you go. That's actually an irritant inside of a pearl that causes the oyster. It's interesting to see it pop. So 3 for 4, 75%. You can aim for 4 for 5. 4 out of 5. You ready?
Sure.
What bone is broken?
Femur.
Correct. That's actually from a gunshot on a 31-year-old male. Well, folks, we hope you enjoyed this game. Subscribe for new games like this every single week, new videos, and click like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and stick around. We've got a cool extractor kit next.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.